we're gonna first start off by building my nightstands. I absolutely love these nightstands. I've been eyeing them for a few years before we moved into our house, and I knew that when we moved into our house that these nightstands would definitely be in her room. This is me kind of really cleaning up the packaging so it won't be a mess or my kids won't get into it, and it's kind of easy for the trash man to not have to do all that. But I got these nightstands from Wayfair. They come in a variety of colors. My favorite color is the blush one and the lavender one. They're so super cute. This mint one looks really cute too. I think is it mint? I believe teal. The teal one is cute as well. So yeah, I absolutely love these nightstands, and you can get them at Wayfair. I will leave them in the link below, or all you have to do is go on Wayfair and type in pink nightstand, and it should pop up right away. If you can tell, I did put the bottom part on backwards. I did fix it off camera. Done with the dressers. They came out so freaking nice, exactly what I wanted. I've been looking at these dressers for about 3 years. How cute! And these curtains, when I tell you, match to the T, like they match to the T, to the curtains. Like I was like blown away how perfectly the colors matched so well. They match completely. Like, look how beautiful. I am super excited. Okay, this is an overview of my room now. She pretty much just got her bed, and most of her bedding, her bedroom decor comes from Target, and most of it is Pillow Fort brand. But this is how her bedroom's looking now, y'all. Like, I'm not like a character Mickey Mouse thing. Most like these are like Mickey Mouse gifts and stuff like that, but I'm not like a character kind of theme, you know. I'm just, you're not gonna get like a character room for me. You know what I mean? Like a unicorn, but like Mickey Mouse and Paw Control and stuff like that. You're not gonna get that. Anywho, so we're gonna get started with room. So now I'm just taking the bedding off the bed. I should have did this step last, but I was trying to rush and get everything done. And typically I usually wash the bedding Even though it's new, I usually wash it before I put it on the bed, but I was trying to get the video done, which I don't know why I was rushing because it still took me a whole year and a half to edit the video. But we here now, so yes. But I absolutely love Maya's bed. I got it from Wayfair. Her favorite color is blue. I was gonna go with a Pottery Barn bed. It was a princess bed, but all kids really, some kids grow out of that princess phase. So I wanted a bed that she can grow in and work perfect because her favorite color is blue, and I absolutely love this bed. And it saved me a ton of money because the Pottery Barn bed was about $2,000, I think, and this bed ran me about, I don't know, maybe five. I just love this bed. It got so much character. I love the blue. It just add that pop of color in her room. I just absolutely love this bed, and it's built very well. I did put it together myself, so it's easy to put together. It's built very well. The quality of it is nice. So I will try to link this bed down below too. It also comes in blush and a couple other colors too. I think maybe silver. I'm not sure. But I'll leave the link down below. This is a full size bed because I didn't want to have to turn back around and redo her room over again. So I wanted something that she can grow into. So I did get her a full size instead of a twin size. All the bedding came from Target. I don't think they have this particular line because Pillow Front kind of did a different line, and I guess they discontinued most of this stuff. Like these pictures, I don't think they sell those anymore. And I had to look tooth and nail for one of them because I had one and I decided I needed another one, and I had to literally go to a ton of Targets to find one. I don't think they carry these styles anymore because they line is more hobo now. Like, did I say hobo? Boho now? It's more boho now. And yeah, so they don't carry this anymore. But absolutely love these butterfly lamps. When I seen these, I had to get them. And when I bought all this stuff, it was all pretty much on sale. Like I got like 30% off everything, and some of them I got more percentage off. It was like a big huge sale because I guess they was creating a new line, so they kind of wanted to get rid of all the old stuff. These gold curtain rods I absolutely love. They by Project 62. I got them from Target. I absolutely love them. How you like it?
I love it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like your nightstand?
Yeah, I love it.
No, don't touch that. Mom, you gotta put that on. You like it so far?
I love it.
It's beautiful?
Yeah. Oven?
You like it?
I love it.
So we got the 96 inch curtains. I really like how those will look better than the other ones. Shout out to my father-in-law. He came and installed the curtain rod because I was having problems. So it is coming together, guys. Let me step back. My father-in-law is putting it up now, but as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in. Come on, camera. Come on, come on, come on, come on. But yeah, so I'm so excited. I love her room. But yeah, the bookshelves are coming together. My father-in-law is gonna be two more that goes up. Oh,
Wow!
you like it?
Uh-huh.
It's your bookshelf.
Wow! That's like her!
Make sure I put that.
This one I got is with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. The cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, we know you get abba. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the best, the girl.
So all done with her bookshelf. Her bookshelf came out so perfect thanks to my father-in-law. He did a great job putting it together like always. I absolutely love this bookshelf. Worth every dime. I got it from Amazon. I think I may have paid like $80-$90. I'll try to find it and I'll link it below. Y'all, I absolutely love this painting. It goes perfect with her room, the girl blue jean jacket. I just absolutely love this painting. So I'm just using these gold, what is it, like thumbtack, and I'm using them to hang up like the sparkle sign. First I was using a nail, but it wasn't working, so I just started to use these, and it worked perfect to hang them up. And I used that for the rest of the stuff that I hung up to, like this this love picture frame. Well, not picture frame, but you can stick your pictures in there. I really love this, and I got that from, I think I got that from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, and it was in the clearance section. So I got it for a good price. I think for like $8 probably.
Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, GT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own.
I absolutely love these LED lights. I originally got some from Best Buy, but I returned them because you have to use the app, and the app wasn't working well. So I went to Target and I got these, which was a lot cheaper, and you only have to use a remote, so that's perfect for little kids so they can play with the colors. And one thing that I love about these light bulbs is they do not get hot at all, so that's pretty nice for a little kid's room because you know they like to touch things, and these bulbs do not get hot at all. I mean, my daughter keep her night lights on all night long, and they never get hot. So these are perfect for a kid's room. Check them out. I think these light bulbs add a good touch to my daughter's room. At nighttime, it looks so good in her room. And yeah, I'm glad I bought these. Check them out at Target or wherever they sell them. Yeah, y'all, these are a bonus to the room. Okay, they're cute. And then you have the percentage of dimness or brightness you want in your light bulb. Also, the true colors are not really showing on camera, but in person it looks really good. Okay, so I'm taking this piece of paper and I'm kind of drawing where I need to drill my holes in. So I'm going to use this as a template on the wall, and I'm just going to draw my holes straight through, and it should line up perfect to the M. That's a great tip for you guys if you're trying to ever hang something and don't want to constantly keep drilling holes in your wall. This can be a great tip to help you out. Now we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of Maya's room makeover, and what item did you love the most. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe, and also I'll greatly appreciate if you guys hit that like button because that would help my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Close to me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Close to me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. But I think I'm here to solo, all my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Wow! Wow!
You like it?
Wow! I love it! I love it! Wow!
See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade.